Introduction. Welcome to this learning session. Today, we'll explore a device commonly found in laboratories, the ceramic hot plate magnetic stirrer. It is used when scientists need controlled heating and smooth mixing at the same time. In this video, we'll break down how it works, how to set it up properly, and the safety practices you must follow. Here's what we'll go through: what this instrument does, how to unpack and verify the unit, controls and keypad overview, installation and setup, how to use it safely, ideal operating conditions, common issues and simple fixes. Let's begin with understanding the instrument. What is it or how it works? A ceramic hot plate magnetic stirrer combines two essential functions: precise heating and magnetic stirring. A rotating magnetic field spins a stir bar inside a container, mixing the liquid smoothly without physical contact. At the same time, the ceramic hot plate warms the sample evenly. This makes it ideal for mixing chemicals, dissolving materials, and maintaining uniform solutions in laboratory experiments. Unpacking or preparation. When unboxing, check the packaging for any external damage. Remove the unit carefully. Take off all protective materials. Inspect the stirrer surface and body for cracks. Ensure accessories like the stir bar, support rod, and power cable are included. Read the manual before switching it on. Keep the box for future transport. If anything appears damaged, report it immediately. Panel or keypad overview. The panel includes a digital display, a multifunction rotary knob, program, time, speed, and temperature keys. These controls let you adjust mixing speed, heating level, and timing. The display helps you monitor your settings in real time, making operation simple and intuitive. Installation guidelines. To install the equipment, place it on a firm, level surface. Ensure it is positioned in a ventilated area. Inspect that all components are securely attached. Place your beaker at the center of the ceramic plate. Insert a clean stir bar into the liquid. Connect the power cable and confirm voltage compatibility. Switch on the unit and check that the screen and controls respond properly. Proper installation ensures consistent heating and smooth stirring. How to operate it. Here's how to use it effectively. Place your sample container in the center. Add a stir bar to the liquid. Press the power key. Set your desired speed using the control knob. Set temperature and time if needed. Heating and stirring can run together. After your work is complete, reduce speed gradually. Allow the plate to cool before touching or cleaning. The hot plate surface, as the manual highlights, remains extremely hot for some time after shutdown. Ideal conditions for use. For the best performance, use in a clean, dry, well-ventilated laboratory. Avoid spilling corrosive or sticky materials on the plate. Ensure the stir bar is the right size for your container. Use flat-bottom containers for stable stirring. Do not overload with oversized beakers. Keep the plate clean to maintain heating efficiency. Safety precautions. Always follow these safety guidelines. Do not touch the hot plate surface during or immediately after use. Keep flammable materials away. Avoid using liquids with low boiling points. Do not work near strong magnetic fields. Unplug the unit before cleaning. Use gloves or tongs when handling hot vessels. Only trained personnel should operate this device. Ensure proper grounding and check cables regularly. For common issues: no power, check outlet and cable. Stir bar not spinning, confirm speed setting and center alignment. Inconsistent stirring, liquid may be too viscous or container bottom uneven. Unusual noise, inspect for loose parts. Heating not responding, verify temperature settings and container compatibility. And that wraps up our complete guide to the ceramic hot plate magnetic stirrer. By following proper setup, safe operation, and routine maintenance, you'll ensure long-lasting performance and accurate results in your lab. Thank you for watching. Dinesh Scientific, precision you can trust. For more details, contact us today.